Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will cover a very important topic in Power BI, that is drill through. Okay, so watching this video, you will able to learn the concept of drill through in Power BI. So basically, we will add a drill through page, or we will add a separate page, and we will connect it to drill to the main categories. So let's. The drill through concept is like this. For example, I want to, when I click on the technologies, only technology related this graph is showing, that is already did in the same page. But when we click on the technology in the other pages, the technology related data will be shown. Okay, so this can be achieved through the drill through. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, before going further, so I create a new page here, and inside the new page I drag and drop the beautiful table, and inside the table, for example, I list down all the categories and all the sales. Okay, and inside the categories here you can see that the subcategories, if I drag and drop the subcategories to show me a more detail of each categories, something like, okay, all the subcategories and all the sales. First subcategory show me and then the sales. Okay, and again I here another table, I export this like this, and inside this table show me the region wise also. Okay, region wise sales. Okay, so they're perfect. Okay, so when I go back here, if I click on this, okay, so this is the value 836154. Okay, so inside this pages the total should be 836, something like that. Okay, so it means that whenever I click on the each category, that specific category related data will be shown to other pages also. Okay, so this can be achieved through the drill through. Okay, so inside this second page, for example, I name it something meaningful, that table drill through. Okay, okay, inside this, here right click on here basically click outside this table and go to the format, and inside the format go to the page information. Inside the page information, inside the page type, here we have standard, tooltip and drill through. Click on the drill through from, drag and drop the categories like that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so we will to the main page, and inside this, for example, if I make my cursor, just click on the, not click, just hover on the technology. After that, now the drill through option is visible. Click on the table drill through page that we created, and here you can see this, all the technology related subcategories are showing, and all the other detail in this page as according to that specific technology related, that is 8361548 8361554, and the total is 8. Okay, for example, make your cursor here, then drill through option will be created, will visible, and just click on that specific, and here you can see that that's 719 total is, that is according to the office suppliers. Okay, that is showing this. So this is the main concept of the drill through. So I hope you will understand. Okay, so, and then right click, and inside this drill through and table drill through, then the all the data will be according to that specific. So this is the main concept of drill through. So hope you have understood about the concept of drill through. So if you have any question, you can ask your question in video description, a link, or your video comment section. We have a dedicated team. If you order any work, just order link is also mentioned in video description. Go to that specific link, fill your criteria, and you can also attach any file. Okay, I will reply to you on your email. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have